friends, welcome to Art Project with Stevie. Today we're going to be using glitter to stay in our glitter theme for Friday. So what you're going to need is some chalk if you have it. If you don't have chalk, use some crayons. I have black paper. If you have any kind of dark paper, please use it. It'll help the glitter shine pretty. Alrighty, so I'm going to make flowers. You can do anything you want on yours. You could do stars, you could do fireworks, you could do a fire truck. Anything you want that makes you happy, go ahead and draw it. Here is my first flower. Isn't it pretty? So what you're going to do is you're going to then get some glue. I have glue pens here. If you don't have glue pens and you have regular white glue at home, go and use white glue and then put regular free glitter on it. But I don't have any loose glitter, so I'm going to use my glitter pens. And then you're going to go over the flower you made. Nice. You're going to see how pretty it comes out, and it's going to stand out so nicely. So here's one I made for time's sake. So you just trace around the colors that you drew, and then look, it becomes 3D, and it shines so pretty. Here's one that I finished a little bit earlier, just to show you guys a finished product. Isn't that nice? I'm gonna put mine in my window at home, and it's gonna catch lots of light and colors on that glitter. I can't wait to see what you guys make at home and all the different creations. Stay tuned for another art project that does not involve glitter, but still shiny. Welcome back, friends. And up next, we're going to be making a super shiny project that, if you don't have glitter, this is still pretty fun. So if you have any black paper or dark paper, please use that. I also have a crayon, scissors, and liquid glue. Alrighty, so what you're going to do is get your tin foil, something we all have at home. I am going to draw a star on mine. And then you are going to cut that shape out, and you'll see what we do with it. You might need mom and dad's help, or maybe your caregiver, whoever's at home with you. Ask them for some help using scissors. That way everyone stays nice and safe. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be really cool and pretty. Alrighty, so here are some shapes I cut out. I have a little flower looking one, a star one, and a little zigzaggy one. Up next, you're going to get your glue. You're going to put it on the back of the shape you made. I'm putting it on the back of my star that I just cut out. And you're going to glue it down to your black or dark paper. And then I have this fun little wavy line that I'm going to glue behind the star.